Greetings and welcome to tutorial number 4. Now I'm going to restore the virtual machine. The reason I chose virtual machine is because if you are working on virtual machine, you can save the state of the virtual machine when you don't have the time to work on LFS. So it helps a lot. But if you are working on an actual machine, then you will have to keep the machine on, thus increasing your electricity bills, as well as the machine is running continuously. So you have to consider those points. Okay, so last time we checked what we did was we installed it. Now what we are going to do is we are going to run this script and check if we get the desired output. Alright. Okay, so it's somewhat similar to this output, that is here, like it's given here as well as it is given over here, so somewhat similar. Now we'll have to remove those files and continue with the further process. By the way, when we get this output, it means that we have set all the compiler part correctly and we can further move on with the building of other packages. So let me extract out, which is this one. Okay, it's Libstdc C++. It's 0.4 SP. Okay, so let's extract it with Libstdc. Okay, so part of GCC sources, unpack it and change to GCC 6 directory. Okay, just a minute. cd GCC. Okay, after that so I have to make a directory called build and get into that directory cd build. Okay, create a separate build directory and enter into it. Now I just didn't get the part. Okay, it's a standard C++ library. It is needed correct operation for correct operation G++ compiler. Okay, installation is a part of GCC sources. You should unpack the GCC tarball and change directory to OK. Then we have to make a separate directory. Okay, so how is it different from the okay, let's see if this works. I think it should. Oh, no such file. Anyways, we'll just do a quick Google search. What's the name? Libstdc++. C++. Okay, let's see what package does this thing belong to. Okay. Okay, that's fine, but just I'm not getting it, man. GCC just on compile data. Sorry. Okay. Let's see if we find anything here. So there's nothing. Okay. Let's see if we can find where it is located. Create a directory and enter into it. Okay, after that we have anything like configure, prepare for compilation. Let's get into GCC. Sorry, cd GCC. Okay. Now let's go for libstd. Okay. Okay. So what? Alright, I got what was the problem. Apparently, what you can see is libstdc this year, it's inside the GCC package. So let's make a new directory called libstd. Okay, anyways, let's just get it into build. Okay, now here what we did is we gave the configuration file of the libstdc++. Alright, go fast, man. Oh shit. Anyways, let's just copy the whole thing. Copy, paste. Man. Sorry. I guess I have to do this the hard way. I just don't get the part where the place we built the folder, as in here it says that you have to get into go ahead, let's see where did we screw it up. Okay, this is done. Okay, it's within the same directory. Alright. What the hell is this? Sorry. Okay, let's just see what's the command again. Okay, let's just say we get into libstd C++ configure. Alright. Okay, now we can continue with this thing. Actually, the command is right. I just didn't get why it didn't work. Alright, let's hit enter. Oh, now it's working. Sorry about that. Okay, we'll make it, and I'm so sorry, and then we'll install it using make. Creators. Okay. Alright. Again, the same thing. Okay, I got the procedure. Okay, this is after building the whole compiler chain. We'll try the whole thing again. Okay, it's done. Now let's install it. now use content of files. Now installation of Binutils, make a directory. Okay. Sorry, Binutils. Okay. Clear less. Okay, let's just remove directory build. Like it. What? Oh, sorry. No. Yes. Yes. Okay, let's just make directory build here. Sorry, SV. Okay, let's just get into this directory. cd build. Okay, now looks like we are going to set some variables first. Come on. Okay, this is the whole thing I selected, right? Alright, let's just hit enter. Okay, that's done. Let's make install. Sorry, my spelling. Okay, now what we have done is say you want to make the system which runs an application. So to run that specific application, you need to have some compiler base. So that compiler base was created in the procedure that we did before up till libstdc++. After that you have set the compiler base. Now you start on using that application to make your whole system. So what it does is, now you will make a fresh installation, or rather a fresh copy of compiler for your system, and then what you will do is you will clean whatever is unnecessary. Last time we didn't clean whatever was unnecessary because we wanted, like, it's just a temporary thing, so we wanted we just kept it. But now we want to make our system up to the point, because the greater the kernel size, more slower and buggy will be the system. So it's better to remove everything that we don't require and just continue with building. Now what we are doing is, we have started building with our actual system. Okay, and using the previously compiled packages, we'll build our system now. So, like, it's a kind of like a it's like two different procedures kind of, or rather you can say something like nested kind of procedure. So that's pretty much what I understood. Okay, Okay, it's done. Now let's just paste. Okay, here it says that we are readjusting the phase. Okay, the make ld cleans tells the make program to remove all the compiled files, that is to avoid whatever buggy system problem that we encounter. Now then make -cld lib path, that is this option rebuilds everything in the ld subdirectory, specifying the lib path, that is a library path. Make variable on command line allows to override default value of the temporary tools and point it to the final path. So yeah, that's what we made our temporary base to make our kernel now. So after this, after the whole temporary thing is over, what we are going to do is we are pointing our new compiled packages, that is a new new packages which are compiled using previous packages, and we'll change the temporary the temporary tools path, that is pointing to the previously installed compiler, to the proper final path. Okay, that's why, and then we are copying it. It looks like we are copying something from one file to a binary file kind of. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. We'll continue the whole process in the next video. Hit like button if you like, hit dislike if you honestly didn't like it or you find it boring. Comments and any questions are to be put in the description below, and anything you guys need, please put a comment so that I can provide you with some kind of help. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.